Welcome to the next part of our series. Now that we've checked compatibility and prepared the motor, it's time to install the MOVIMOT flexible logistics variant. In this video, we'll show you how to mount the device and connect all cables. Before starting, make sure the MOVIMOT flexible logistics variant and application are safe to work with. Gather the logistics variant, the required connector cables, and if necessary, a mounting plate. Have the STO jumper plug ready if you don't need a safety circuit. Now position the new inverter at the installation point. You can use existing drill holes where possible, but if the hole pattern differs, you might need an adapter plate or might need to drill new holes. Secure the inverter firmly. For the electrical connections, first do the motor connection. Insert the motor plug into the hand Q8 socket. The keyed connector prevents incorrect insertion, and you can push it in until it clicks and tighten the locking screws. Next, you plug the yellow RZ flat cable into the inverter. If your system uses an STO safety circuit, now you connect the STO table to the M12 socket. If you don't need STO, as we do here, insert the supplied jumper plug so that the drive can start. Next, connect the sensors or switches to the M12 sockets on the front module. Remember that the 3 integrated inputs are unavailable in manual mode. If you require any additional inputs, you can connect an external RZ/I/O module. If your application needs dynamic braking, connect the braking resistor to the designated terminals. Check the resistors rating and mounting position to ensure adequate cooling. Lastly, use the Han Q42 plug to connect the 400 volt and, if required, the 24 volt supply. Some variants combine both in one cable. Others require an additional M12 connector for the 24 volts. Lastly, check the product manual if there's any additional steps you have to do. During these steps, note that the logistics variant does not allow daisy chaining of the 400 volt and 24 volt supply or the STO circuit. Each drive must be supplied individually. If you need to branch the supply, you can use T-connectors designed for this purpose. Your final checks: check that all plugs are fully inserted and the locking screws are tight. Verify that cables are routed neatly and protected against mechanical damage. When you restore the power supply, make sure no faults are displayed on the inverter. In our next video, we'll concentrate on the RZ configuration. We'll look at how to set the address and adjust the new device profile.